First of all, let me just say a word about the U.S. Commission on Civil Rights for those of you who are not familiar with this independent federal agency. It is not an enforcement agency. It is an agency whose purpose is to gather facts and to assess the degree of civil rights enforcement in the United States. The U.S. Commission on Civil Rights looks at the enforcement of federal civil rights laws. They gather facts, do studies, occasionally hold hearings on voting matters, and make recommendations on legislation to the Congress and to the President. Now, our purpose today is to gather facts on the extent to which the civil rights of residents of Prince William County, Virginia, may be adversely affected by measures taken by the County Board of Supervisors to withhold government services and otherwise penalize and or detain illegal immigrants in the county, or by other measures enacted by the Board of Supervisors which may, by intent or effect, encourage racial, ethnic, and national origin discrimination by private parties. We are not here to debate immigration policy, and indeed the members of the Virginia State Advisory Committee, in both their private and in their professional capacities, hold a range of views on immigration issues. However, there is no question that the debate over immigration and the concern over illegal immigration across communities in America has exacerbated racial tensions, and that includes here in Prince William County. The FBI reported this week that hate crimes against Hispanics were up nationwide by 10% in 2006, with 576 incidents involving 819 victims. Hate crimes against Hispanics have risen by 35% since 2003, the period during which anti-illegal alien rhetoric has become the most virulent. And many Hispanics, including those who were born in the United States and whose families may have lived here literally for generations, say they now feel unwelcome in their own home. A poll released this week by New American Media suggests 85% of Hispanics believe there is, in the wording of the poll, a lot of discrimination against Hispanics. Similarly, a poll that was released yesterday by the Pew Hispanic Center found that about 40% of Hispanics say that they have, in fact, experienced discrimination. And we will be hearing from one of our witnesses who may be able to elucidate more on that. Despite this, Hispanics appear to be more committed to the American dream than ever, with 74% saying they believe that if you work hard, you will succeed in the United States. Now, today we are going to be hearing from a variety of experts, public officials, community leaders, and advocacy groups. It is our hope that the expert witnesses and the information that they provide will assist both the county and the state in its duty to protect the civil rights of its residents.